In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to customize Control Center on the following device. So as you can see, here it is. You've got those apps right now in your Control Center. If you'd like to change it, if you'd like to personalize it, just open the settings, then enter Control Center right here. And here you can smoothly and easily personalize it. So here you've got included controls. You can remove, for example, timer and notes, and you can leave it this way, or instead of them, you can enter some more apps. So for example, I will add voice memos, then dark mode, remote, alarm, and maybe notes. As you can see at first, we have definitely way more apps right here included, and you can smoothly check it right now in your Control Center. As you can see right here, you've got way more apps included. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily personalize Control Center on your device in your iPad Air from 2020. You can change it whenever you want to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.